All right, so the joke, this is the joke, y'all. The joke is, I'm about to call Shalonda and tell her that the water is running from the refrigerator. My mouth could have got more mouth work, y'all. Shit. Anyway, so I'm gonna tell her that the water is running from the refrigerator. Shalonda! Come here, bring a mop, hurry up. A towel, a mop, hurry up. Bring a towel, a mop, something, hurry up. Hurry. The water running from the refrigerator. This motherfucker.
Motherfucker. And you recording this, huh? Motherfucker, you. Now you was up to
Merry Christmas.
You're not fucking funny, okay?
Welcome home.
Oh, Lord. I was like, Lord, wait a minute.
She can't stand me, y'all. She can't stand me. It was funny as shit.